welcome back to my channel. So I hope you liked my previous video and I'm back with a new video. So today I want to share one of my favorite shower gel, which is the Plum Body Loving Shower Gel, and I just love this brand Plum. Plum is my one of the most favorite brand. I have like lots and lots of products of Plum because Plum is skin friendly and judgment free. Recently Plum has launched this body loving shower gel. So Plum ने 5 fragrances launch की है, जिनमें से I'm having only 3. This is my favorite shower gel, which is Plum Body Loving shower gel, which is in the fragrance Hawaiian Rumba. And I'm having another shower gel, which is Plum Body Loving shower gel, which is in the fragrance Tropical Tango. And one more I'm having with me, that is Plum Lychee Cuddle. Other two are, one is cherry and one is I guess Tropical Daisy. These 5 shower gels are so good. These 5 shower gels are totally based upon fruits and flowers extract. So I have bought these 3 shower gels with a scheme which was buy 2 get 1 free, and including this they give loofah free, which is made from vegetable fiber, and this is really cute, and this is really soft while scrubbing. It won't harsh your skin. This is skin friendly, and I'm really happy that I ordered this. It smells heavenly and these are so cute, and I just love when I order them in my washroom. Like, this so cute bottle, and its net value is and only 240 ml, which is really a good quantity. It can last up to 2 or 3 months. One thing I love about Plum is इसका 1% planet अर्थ को जाता है. लाइक अगर हम कुछ परचेज करते हैं तो उसका 1% ये planet अर्थ को देते हैं, which is really interesting. And the second most thing I love about this कि ये animals पे test नहीं किया गया, which is the best thing. And this is 100% vegan, and I got it at the price of 380 rupees, which is really inexpensive. And about this bottle, this is such a cute triangular bottle which comes with this clip, and this clip is so cute, and the color of this, so this bottle is covered with so many stickers, and this is so multicolor, and it contains no parabens, no sulfates, no silicons, and it's not an animal product. These are non-drying greasy formula, which is really good. And the one thing I love about this is this: it Macy's free, cruelty free and judgment free. And the body loving represents that everyone should love their body. Either you are fat, you are small, you are tall, you are dark, that doesn't matter. The only thing matters is you are beautiful, and you should love your body. You are perfect in every way. No one has right to say anything, because we are God gifted and our body is God gifted too. So we should love ourselves the most. My favorite shower gel is the Hawaiian Rumba. It smells heavenly. It contains coconut extract and olive oil, which is really good for skin. And the next is this Lychee Cuddle, which is really rich in vitamin C and is made up of olive oil. And you all know olive oil is good for the skin. So the next is Tropical Tango flavor. It is rich in olive oil again. All the shower gels are rich in olive oil because olive oil is best for the skin. And you know these are skin friendly. It can suit any skin type. It contains watermelon extracts and orange extracts, which is really good. Its fragrance is also tango orangey flavor, and these all shower gels contain olive oil in them, which is so good. And these are made from acai extract, which is really good for the skin. I was unboxing these shower gels. I got these 2 cute sticker packs, which looks like this, and these are so cute. It is written that ready to fall, made in love with your body, which resembles body loving. You should love your body all the time. And it is written like presenting plum body loving, love every inch. You should love every inch of your body. All the new line of bath and body plus to get you feeling all sorts of happy. It is niches free, cruelty free and judgment free. These are really cute stickers and हमें इन स्टिकर्स को इन बॉटल्स पे पेस्ट कर सकते हैं एज वी लाइक. आई एम पेस्टिंग वन ऑफ द स्टिकर बिकॉज आई लव स्टिकर्स वेरी मच. मेरी पहली वीडियो में था कि आई जस्ट लव स्टिकर्स एंड आई लव दीज टू. एंड अब मैं इसमें ये वाला स्टिकर लगाऊंगी जिसमें लिखा है एवरी बॉडी इज़ ब्यूटीफुल हैशटैग प्लम बॉडी लविंग. सो दिस इज such a cute sticker. So I'm pasting this here. This looks so colorful. It is written everybody is beautiful, which is the truth. And as this आप कोई भी stickers लगा सकते हो. These are really really good and I just love these chargers. These are so good and this can brightens up your skin and exfoliates it so well. I'll link down below from where I get it and मैं आपके साथ इसका कोड भी शेयर करूँगी जिसके साथ मुझे buy 2 get 1 free along with this loofah. And also I'll tell you recently Plum ने एक स्कीम निकाली है which is empties for good in which अगर हमारी ये बॉटल खाली हो जाए तो वी कैन रिसाइकल इट. इसके साथ आपको 50% कैशबैक मिलेगा जो आपके प्लम वॉलेट में चला जाएगा एंड आपको डिस्काउंट भी मिल सकता है जो आप अपनी नेक्स्ट परचेज में यूज़ कर सकते हो. एंड रिसाइकल फॉर गुडीज़ लाइक दिस एम्प्टी बॉटल्स आर सो गुड. आप अगर रिक्वेस्ट डालोगे प्लम को कि आई वॉन्ट टू रिसाइकल माई एम्प्टीज दिस विल बी नॉट चार्ज्ड. वो वहाँ से किसी को भेजेंगे आपके घर पे इसको लेने के लिए एम्प्टी बॉटल को. आपको इसको अच्छे से क्लियर आपका ये चार्जर पूरा ख़त्म हो जाए या फिर आपके पास प्लम का कोई और प्रोडक्ट हो जैसे मॉइस्चराइज़र फेस पैक या कुछ भी हो आपके पास, अगर वो ख़त्म हो जाए तो आप उसको रिसाइकल कर सकते हो. सो इट्स अ गुड डील. मैंने भी बहुत बार रिसाइकिल किया है एंड आई जस्ट लव प्लम. दिस इज़ द बेस्ट ब्रांड फॉर स्किन. इट इज़ स्किन फ्रेंडली एंड आई जस्ट लव प्लम. एंड आई शो यू कि हम इसको कैसे यूज़ कर सकते हैं. इसकी जो ये क्लिप है आपको बस इसको स्लाइटली ओपन करना है ऐसे एंड ये आपको इसको टर्न करना है एंड देन यू कैन यूज़ दिस. जब आपको यूज़ ना हो तो आप इसको ऐसे बंद भी कर सकते हो. Now I'm gonna show you how to use this loofah and how this charger work. So I'm taking this loofah and my favorite Hawaiian Roomba and I'll drop some drops over here, just a little, and I have wet this area. Now I'll just rub this slowly. So good. I just love its smell. I had used low amount of water, that's why lather is not formed, but I can see this and this looks so good. Now I'll wipe it off with towel. It smells so good. I just love this loofah and see how it looks. It just exfoliates my body and it's so good. I'll recommend my favorite charger which is Hawaiian Roomba and you must purchase it. It's only for 380 rupees which is a good deal and अभी ऑफर चल रहा है buy 2 get 1 free along with the loofah. So आप उसको purchase कर सकते हो. It's a really good deal. I must think you should invest in it without wasting any time and you'll also get this cute sticker pack with this. So guys, this was it for this video. I hope you like my video. Please do like, comment and share and also please do subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. Stay tuned.